Hello everyone, how to change currency symbol in Excel template. So let's start. This is my Excel. To add the template, go to the file tab and in home option you can see here the new some template here showing. Just click on the more templates and here just drag below and search here the templates those you want. So I simply search here the invoice template. I just write here the invoice and press the enter key and you can see here all invoice is searched. Okay, then select here the one invoice, so I select here the one invoice. Okay, now here you can see in this invoice the dollar symbol of currency is already mentioned. Okay, already added. Okay, and if you want to change this currency symbol, simply select the list of data, right click of the mouse, click on the format cells option. In format cell, just click on the number tab. In category, click on the currency. Okay. And here the symbol option showing. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the symbol of currency those you want. So I select here the Russian and click on OK, and that's it. You can see the currency symbol is changed. If you want same symbol here, just simply select it. Select the one cell only and just double click on the format painter and select the area where you want to same the symbol. So I just click on it. Just click on the cell. Okay. Now press the escape key to remove the format painter. Okay. So that's it. So this is a way you can change the currency symbol in Excel template. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe.